Welcome back to Sugar Bird working videos again. Today we're working on Eloise. Here is Eloise. And I like this design, kind of like a little windmill, and I think she's doing this in the block. Enough silliness, let's go work on Eloise. All right, we are getting down to the nitty gritty of what I have for fabric. Eloise is this little windmill type shape, and we have 3 fabrics to pick out. The bee I'm gonna want to be much lighter than the other 2. So I think I want this one to be my C fabric. I think so. That'll be my C fabric because it's the last of the dark and bold. Maybe this one? No, I don't want to use that one. All right, so just thinking that if I use that, I wouldn't want to use this because it's the same print. I don't like that together. So I'm gonna pull these, put them to the side. All right, so this could be my light. That would look nice as the light fabric. And I don't think I used that very much. I'm over here looking at my design wall. I've used it a few times. I've really not used this a lot at all. No, wait, I'm actually thinking that I might not want this to be C fabric. I might want this to be A fabric. I didn't use this a lot in the blocks I've already made. That could be A. This could be my B, or this could be my B. One or the other. So let me put those for options. I just need to figure out what is going to be C. And I want something that is going to pop against this. Maybe this. Or this one. So it either needs to be brighter or it needs to be, you know, I think I'm going to, all right, so I think I'm going to go with this for my C. I like the way that looks. I like those 2 fabrics together. And I think, I don't know if I have enough for this to be B, so I might want to stick with this as B. So A, B, and C. Yeah, that's what I think I'm gonna go with. Let me get all this cut. Okay, so that was quite a lot of cutting. A, B, and C. And we're gonna put our C's out of the way for just a minute. And we're gonna have B's on this side, A's on this side, and we're just gonna chain piece all of these. They're gonna go just like this, and we'll sew right across here. And just make sure that when you're sewing these, that your A fabric is always on top, and you're sewing on this side. So I like to take them to my sewing machine, one on each side, and then do it in front of the sewing, and do it right in front of the sewing machine as I push them on through. I find that helps me, you know, keep them in order and stuff like that. So let me go get these together and I'll be back. All right, all sewn. Let's just get these seams set real quick. All right, and we're gonna press these away from our A fabric, so towards our B fabric. So they're all gonna look like that. Let me go through and do this for all of them. Okay, all right, so you've got these with B and A, B, A, all right? And then you'll take your C, it's gonna go just like this. And you'll sew right across here. So let's go do that for all of these. All right, so they ended up looking like that. So let me get these seams set real fast. All right, so now you're lining up the 1/4 inch line of your ruler right there on your stitch line, and you're cutting that little corner off. All right, we're all trimmed up. We'll push these corners out, and then we'll press. And as you can see, they're not wanting to behave, so we'll have to get them some starch to get them in line. So let me get done with this part first. Starch and press again. All right, pressed, And let's get these laid out the way they're supposed to be. And each unit just kind of rotates around. So I'm turning it one click around every time. You get this little windmill shape. And you'll have 4 units that look like this. We'll go ahead and sew them into row 1 and row 2. So they'll all look like this. Let me get these seams set. All right, so we're gonna always be pressing towards the one that has the seams going up this way. So this one's seam is running across. So we'll press our seams, you know, this way. And I'm gonna do that for all of these. All right, we're almost done. We're going to line up this middle seam, make them bump up and kiss. Just like that. If you want to pin up these ends, you can. But they're so small that I don't think you need to. I'm not going to. Let me get these all pinned up. All right, and then we're gonna sew right across here. All right, we're almost there. This little piecing is so cute, but it can be quite tedious. I really just love sampler quilts. I like changing up the pace on every block. I think that just makes it really fun. I hope you're enjoying it too. All right, we're gonna open these seams up. Cute. I'm gonna keep doing this for all of these. All right, let's give them some starch so they won't be so sassy. All right, pretty cute. All right, let me grab some claws and those background squares. All right, I'm gonna use this color. All right, you know what to do from here. Let's get this done. Okay, sashing and cornerstone. All right, let's go piece this into rows and then piece those rows together and then we will be ready. Oh, Miss Eloise, you are so pretty. So can you see the dancing like I was talking about? Maybe it's just me. All right, so Eloise is complete. We have one more block to do together and I will see you then.